The following is a lecture given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on March 24th, 1977, in Bombay, India.
It appears that really a human being is now there to take up the responsibility in India. They're talking all nonsense. The real message of Indian culture is Krishna consciousness. Jayam paramam guhyam madbhakti suvidhasati nacha tasmat manusheshu kaschit me yatittam. Krishna said at the end of his instruction that anyone who is taking the responsibility of preaching the message of Bhagavad Gita to the devotee, because unless one is devotee, one cannot understand what is Bhagavad Gita. Bhaktyamam abhijanati javana jasyami tattva. To know Krishna superficially, that is a different thing. You can imagine anything nonsense. But if you want to know Krishna as he is, that requires intelligence. Manusyanam sahasreshu kaschit jatati siddhaya jatatam siddhyanam kaschit vetimam tattva. We have to understand Krishna tattva as he is. This tattva word has been used in several places in Bhagavad Gita. Janma karmam samidibham jo janati tattva. Here is one, tattva. Krishna's appearance and disappearance, not ordinary thing. Jo janati tattva. Anyone understands in truth what is the result. Tatta deham punarjanmanaiti mameti kaunteya. Immediately he becomes liberated. Immediately he becomes eligible not to accept any more of this material body. Tatta deham. Everyone has to give up this body, material body. You cannot remain permanently Indian or this party or that party. You have to change it. Tatha deham dharma. So why should you waste your time in this way, that I am Indian, I am American, I am Hindu, I am Muslim, I am horse, I am cat, I am dog. There is no difference. If a dog is thinking that I am dog, and if I am thinking I am Indian, what is the difference? The mentality is the same, and identifying with the body. Jasya buddhi punapi dhatuke. Anyone who is thinking of this body as himself, jasya buddhi punapi dhatuke savikkalatra vibho maidhyadhi. Jati buddhi salile nakarece janeshu avijneshu saiva gokhara. Gokhara. Go means cow and khara means ass. Anyone who is identifying with this body as self is gokhara. Animal. So this animal civilization is not meant for India's culture. India's culture is different. तत्तादे अंतर प्राप्ति तत्तादे हम पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेति. This is India's culture. Why should we identify ourselves as animals? I am Indian, I am American, I am Hindu, I am Muslim, I am this. It is wrong type of civilization. Go for our civilization. So our little attentive, we are not manufacturing anything. We are not manufacturer of religious system. Neither it is possible to manufacture. It's like you cannot manufacture law. Law is given by the state. Similarly, dharma means dharmantu sakshat bhagavat pradipta. Dharma means the law given by God. That is dharma. You cannot manufacture. Who cares for your manufactured system? Just like nobody cares for if you make some law, that I have made some law and go to the court. Sir, I have made this law, please accept. Lunatic, driving. That is not possible. This is dharma, as Krishna said. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam. This is dharma. Yada yadahi dharmasya glani bhavati va. What is that glani? Discipline. Glani is disobedience to the order that is law. Yada yadahi dharmasya glani bhavati va. The whole world is denying. Sunnavad, Nirvisheshvad, Nirakanvad. No God, God is there. So what kind of religious system they will manufacture? They are simply misled. Andharathandhairpaniyamana stepi satantra udami bhaktya. Very tightly regulated by the laws of nature and state that independently manufacturing religion. This is not possible. Give up this. Sarva dharman parityajya. Actually this is dharma. Savai pangshan paro dharma. Jato bhakti radhokkade. It doesn't matter whether you are Hindu, Muslim, Christian or any other sect. The test is how much you are advanced in understanding God. That is it. If you do not understand God, if you have no obedience to God, that is not dharma. So, the Krishna consciousness movement is a very important movement. It is neither manufactured nor unauthorized. It is authorized, the oldest. Yoga Puratana. Krishna says to Arjuna that I am repeating the same yoga, Puratana. Krishna does not say that I am manufacturing another system of yoga. No. I am speaking to you the same yoga system. Imam vivasati yugam praktavan aham abhayam vivasana manove prabhu manu ikha kave prave. Yoga nasta pura. As soon as you deviate from the original system, it is nasta, spoiled. So what is the use of giving things which is already spoiled? But it cannot be spoiled if you follow the parampara system.